also here in YouTube. So I just research everything about DaVinci Resolve 16.1 in Google. So I just applied it.
Round and round we go, losing self-control.
What's up, disters? I'm Ardy and welcome back to my channel. For this week's video, I'm going to share with you guys what application or applications do I use or softwares do I use to edit my videos, especially here in YouTube. And I'm gonna share with you also the application that I use to create my thumbnail for my YouTube videos. So if you want to check it out and if you want to know about it, just tune in and watch more of this video. Alright, let's start! So the main reason why I decided to share with you guys the application or softwares that I use to edit my videos and create my thumbnails, because a lot of people ask me, Ardy, what application or software do you use to edit your video here in YouTube? So I'm gonna share with you guys this application or softwares that I use and the one that I'm using to create my thumbnail for every video that you see on my channel. So if you check out my phone, I have a lot of installed editing software. So honestly, I'm not using all of them because I'm just picking up or choosing what's the best application to use for this week. So I have like InShot, I have Filmorago, I have Logit, I have KineMaster, I have the background eraser, I have Canva, I have Fonto, PixArt, and I have also Pixelab. So all of these softwares or editing software that I use both for photos and videos are actually, I'm not using them entirely. So I'm just choosing what's the best application of or software that I'm going to use this week. Also, though I have a lot of applications that are installed in my phone, I am not using my phone to edit my videos. What I am using from the past months or when I started vlogging or doing YouTube is my laptop. So I decided to check out Google at that time. So I just searched on Google what softwares or editing softwares are best for YouTube, which are free, of course. So I searched a lot of applications. So Google provided a lot of recommendations on what applications to install for your laptop. So I just chose one application that I think suits me well, especially when I do editing my videos. It's called DaVinci Resolve. I think it's already 16.1 edition. So it's actually a free editing software that you can download as well as you can use freely, and it has no watermark. So I decided to choose this editing software because I want to have an editing software without any watermark, because if you use editing software on your phone, as you can see, after you extract the video or after you save your video or after you edit your video, it has watermark of the company or the creator of that application. So I don't like that. So I decided to use my laptop to install DaVinci Resolve 16.1. So that's the main editing software that I am currently using right now. Further, what I like about using this application, which is DaVinci Resolve 16.1, it's like you're using an editing software which is in a pro level. So at first, if you install that application or that software and try to browse everything inside that application, it's actually hard to understand. Especially for me, I'm really not a in terms of technicalities in editing videos or adding up music, everything like that. I'm not really into technicalities, so what I did was basically research about how to use DaVinci Resolve 16.1. Also here in YouTube, so I just researched everything about DaVinci Resolve 16.1 in Google. So I just applied it on editing my videos using this application. And also, what I also like about this application or software, it doesn't have any advertisements, because if you're gonna use your phones, especially for applications that are installed in your phones, some applications, especially if it is like you're connected to Wi-Fi or you have data on, so it's like having or producing or popping up a lot of advertisements. Unlike for DaVinci Resolve 16, you can try to or do editing of your videos even if you're offline. So that's what I like about this software. Alright, let's go back to those applications that I've said a while ago. Again, these applications, I'm not entirely using them. I'm just using what application to use this week. So I will share with you guys what are these applications that I use using my phone. So I have the background eraser. So for the background eraser, I'm using it to edit my photo. So whenever I feel like I want to remove my background, for example this one, I'm going to remove this and place like my face or half of my body to another photo. I'm going to use the background eraser application. Next application that I use on my phone is actually Canva. So for Canva, I decided to use this application and install this application because I think Canva has actually a lot of templates that you can use to design your like background of your YouTube banner, or sometimes if you want to be creative in using a thumbnail, you can also use Canva application. So sometimes if I want to be creative, like put a lot of colors onto my thumbnail, I use Canva because Canva has also a template for YouTube thumbnails. So it's actually in 16:9 in size. Next one is PixArt. So if I want to be like creative in producing a good picture or designing a good thumbnail with a artistic side or using an artistic picture, I use PixArt. So from the word itself, you're gonna put some artistic side onto your photo. So whenever I feel like using that kind of thumbnail, I decided to use PixArt. I hope that this clarify all of your questions or answer all of your questions about what applications do I use to edit my videos and to create my thumbnails for my YouTube videos. And it depends on you, of course, on what application you want to use. So just browse all those editing softwares or application in Apple Store or in Play Store. So thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you won't miss anything. And I hope to connect with you guys through Instagram and Twitter. The links are in the description below, so please make sure to check them out as well. And I'll see you again guys next week. Until then, stay fab and rockin'!